Happy Wednesday, everybody. Happy Wednesday. We are back in the middle of a week of great learning, and let's get to announcements. All right, today is Wednesday, February the 16th, 2021. 22, sorry, these are your morning announcements. The mission of Wesleyan Middle School is to build a genius of each Wildcat through a culture of joy, respect, and excellence. Let's get Wildcat ready, everyone. Winter coats, backpacks, and purses are in our lockers. Hats are off, hoods are down, AirPods are in our pockets, phones are in our lockers. Everybody has a locker, and that's a great thing here, as every Wildcat has a locker. The most important part about being a Wildcat ready is to make sure you're masked up. Make sure you protect yourself and others by wearing a face covering correctly above your nose, below your chin, and make sure you are wearing it, and make sure you're not messing with anybody else's mask as well. Look at our schedule for today. It is periods 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 after advisory. And let's learn a little bit more about our past, my future. Wesleyan celebrates Black History Month. First off, trivia time. The Miss Meridi's advisory, Alpha Phi Alpha, was founded at Cornell University in 1906. That was Aislinn Bisecker who got that for us. And some more Mr. King's advisory, talking about some Black history for us to learn. First off is the Alabama Birmingham church bombings. The 16th Street Baptist Church bombing was a white supremacist terrorist bombing of the 16th Street Baptist Church in Birmingham, Alabama on Sunday, September 15th, 1963. It was one of the more shocking incidences in America, and it made the news, and 4 girls were killed. And it had led to some of the reforms of the civil rights movement that we saw after that. I also want to talk about Henry Box Brown. He was a 19th century Virginia slave who escaped to freedom by the age of 33 by arranging to have himself nailed in a wooden crate in 1849 to abolitionists in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. For a short time, Brown became the noted abolitionist speaker in the Northeast of the United States. So for tomorrow, we're going to learn about the first female African-American millionaire and the first African-American billionaire female. Who are they? And so, yeah, it's a 2-part. So make sure you answer the question on Canvas. You tell me both people, and then you tell me what advisory you in. So some of people are getting in quickly, but they're not telling me what advisory they're in. So we want to make sure that you are letting us know. And so don't forget, Black history is American history. When we learn about it, we are learning about American history. Look at tutoring opportunities for the week. I believe Thursday. So this is 6th grade. This is an update right now. Teacher Salmon is on Thursday. I will put their sign-up sheet on the tutoring 6th grade page. 7th grade, Ms. Petronoff today for Spanish. And then Ms. Petronoff for 8th grade in Spanish as well. Then tomorrow we have Ms. Jagle in math and Ms. Lopez in English. You must sign up each week. And if we do find that you're not really participating in tutoring, and you just want to be here to stay after or mess around with friends, we will ask you to not sign up anymore. So please make sure you're coming here for the right reasons. And that's our tutoring opportunities for Wesleyan Middle School. On time, every time, that's Wildcat time. I want to talk about tardies and being on time to class. If you're 0 tardy between 2:14 and 3:14, that is March 14th, the slushies at lunch on 3:17. Fewer than 2 tardies, 2:14 to 3:14, is treats at lunch on 3:18, which is March 18th. And if you've been caught up in hall sweeps, your first offense is detention. Your second offense is redirection for the period. Your third offense is Saturday school. And your fourth offense is a parent walking around with you here at school, here at Wesleyan. We want to make sure you're on time every time. That's Wildcat time. Remember about IXL, our dozen drawing. We pulled a dozen yesterday. We will pull a dozen on Friday, maybe even 2 dozen on Friday for those that are diagnosed in IXL, both topics. So right now we are over 50% in both. So that's excellent. So keep up the hard work, Wildcats. Remember your Warbucks, you can purchase items in the bookstore at Warbucks at lunch. All food should be in the cafeteria. No food should be eaten outside the cafeteria. Speaking of food, we are unable to heat up food or cook food for students anymore. Students, all your restroom passes out of the class are 5 minutes or less. Students, you need your ID at all times, especially in the cafeteria. We will use it for breakfast and lunch. All cell phones are in your locker between 9:15 and 4:20. They're taken if they're seen or heard. And advisory right after this, we have sixth grade, second step lesson unit 3, lesson 18. What works best for you? Seventh grade, second step lesson unit 3, lesson 18, practicing positive self-talk. And eighth grade is a circle of power and respect. Get our motto, every Wildcat, every day gets better. Have a great Wednesday, everybody. We'll see you around.